Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Honda Pilot key fob using an easy method. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, that you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. Then, get inside your Honda Pilot, close all the doors securely, and ensure they are unlocked. This preparation is crucial for a smooth programming experience, setting you up for success. Now, let's enter programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Within 4 seconds, press the lock button on your key fob. Immediately after, turn the key to the off position, again within 4 seconds. You need to repeat this entire sequence 3 more times, making it a total of 4 complete cycles. Once you've completed the 4 cycles, the door locks will cycle, indicating you are in programming mode. Now, press the lock button on the first key fob you want to program. The doors will cycle again. For any additional fobs, press their lock button within 10 seconds of the previous one. The doors will cycle after each successful programming. To finalize the process and exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. It's essential to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they are working correctly. If any fob doesn't function as expected, don't worry. Just repeat the entire programming procedure from the very beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.